Hello, dear friends and students. Today we shall take up how to name elements with atomic number greater than 100. And we found that the elements after atomic number 100 were mostly synthesized. They were artificially synthesized. And such elements had a very small half-life period and therefore their properties could not be ascertained. However, uh, the there was an anomaly in naming the same element in different parts of the world. For example, the element with atomic number 104 was being claimed to have been discovered by Americans, and it was named as Rutherfordium. And the same element was named by Russians or Soviets, who named them as Kurgatovium. Kurgatovium is the name. So there becomes a problem. Same element having different names in different parts of the world was rather undesirable. And therefore, it was the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, IUPAC, which came forward to resolve and set certain that was by way of their atomic number using certain illustrations. So certain notations were uh, formed by IUPAC according to their atomic number. The elements should be noted. For example, if 0 has to be used, we use nil. For 1, un, 2, bi, 3, tri, 4, quad, 5, pent, 6, hex, 7, sept, 8, oct, 9, n, ENN. And the notations which were used were capital N, small u, B, T, Q, P, H, S, O, E, as indicated here. So using these notations for numbering the elements according to their atomic number, the uh, elements were named. For example, if we have to name element with atomic number 104, we will use UN, un, and 0 for nil, it will be un nil. And for 4, we use quad, un nil quad. And at the thereafter, we have to name them as IUM, quadium. So 104 will be un nil quadium. And this system of nomenclature continued till the official name were identified or recognized by IUPAC. So most of the elements were named that way, and here is the list of different elements which have been named according to their atomic numbers and also the IUPAC official name. For example, 105 was named with the root word as unnil pentium. Pent is 5, unnil pentium, and short form of the symbol will be UNP, U capital N small p. And of course, later on it was identified and officially recognized by IUPAC by dubnium, having a symbol DB is starting with the capital. So similarly, 108 was un nil octium, un for 1, nil for 0, and OCTIUM octium. Un nil octium makes 108, and thereafter the formula is UNO symbol. And later on it was identified and official name was given as Hesnium. It's here, HS. But still there are so many elements which name could not be identified, and they have to be later on officially recognized, their names will be given. For example, 112, 113, 14, 15, 17, and also we find that 118, 120 and 130. 130 would be named as UNTRI for 3, and nilium. Nil is 0, and later on IUM has to be added. Thus, we find that this method of naming an element according to its atomic number is a systematic method. Well-established names of the element have been recognized only after stability of the reliable data aligned with the name of the discoverer of the available to IUPAC. So that's there, and accordingly, different elements have been named, and we need to uh, point the elements according to their atomic number. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.